Today on Keyangle, we will be talking about achieving work-life balance as an entrepreneur. Imagine this. In the heart of the city, there's an ambitious entrepreneur named Alex, dreaming of building a world-changing business. But the journey is tough, filled with endless demands and sleepless nights. Sound familiar? This is Alex's story, and it could be yours. Let's uncover the secrets to achieving that elusive work-life balance. Alex's life was a blur of work and more work. Days turned into nights and weekends vanished. Everything changed when a wise mentor shared a golden nugget. Set clear boundaries. Alex defined specific working hours and communicated them to clients and the team. This move protected personal time and set a professional standard. One fateful morning, Alex woke up exhausted. Realizing the business's engine was running on fumes, Alex prioritized self-care. Exercise, healthy meals, and adequate sleep became non-negotiable. Breaks were crucial pit stops. This transformation boosted Alex's creativity and productivity, making them unstoppable. Alex once believed they had to do everything themselves, but as the to-do list grew, so did the stress. Enter Sam, a trusted ally who taught Alex the art of delegation. Handing off tasks to employees, freelancers, and automation systems wasn't easy, but it freed up time to focus on what truly mattered. In a world teeming with digital tools, Alex felt overwhelmed. Everything changed when Alex discovered how to use technology wisely. Project management software and scheduling apps streamlined workflows and managed time. Setting strict boundaries for screen time avoided digital burnout. Feeling isolated and overwhelmed, Alex sought the company of fellow entrepreneurs, mentors, and supportive friends. This circle proved invaluable, offering advice, a listening ear, and encouragement. Alex realized that success wasn't a solo journey. Having a tribe made all the difference. Every morning, Alex had a clear plan. Tasks were prioritized, deadlines were realistic, and work was manageable. By working smarter, not harder, days became more productive and less stressful. Time management unlocked both professional success and personal fulfillment. Despite the business demands, Alex found solace in painting. Making time for hobbies and passions like hiking and playing the guitar brought immense joy and relaxation. These moments reduced stress and increased overall satisfaction. Alex discovered that true fulfillment required personal happiness too. In the relentless pursuit of goals, Alex often forgot to celebrate achievements. Recognizing every success, big or small, became a game changer. Celebrating wins boosted morale and motivation, and reflecting on the journey reinvigorated the spirit for what lay ahead. The entrepreneurial path is ever-changing, and Alex learned that flexibility was key. Plans and strategies were adjusted, embracing change rather than fearing it. This adaptability helped in business and navigating personal challenges, maintaining balance through life's twists and turns. Balancing work and life as an entrepreneur isn't about perfection. It's about finding a rhythm that works for you. By setting boundaries, prioritizing self-care, delegating tasks, leveraging technology, building a support network, managing time mindfully, pursuing personal passions, celebrating wins, and staying adaptable, you too can achieve a fulfilling balance. Your journey is unique, and so is your definition of balance. Stay committed to your well-being, and success will follow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Keyangle for more tips on thriving as an entrepreneur. See you in the next video.